Use of his or her. A. See the pictures. Use his or her to complete the sentences. Rahul loves his red t-shirt. His hair is brown in color. She is playing with her doll. Ricky is riding his bicycle. Rahul is washing his hands.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.